What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I create a header design in under 5 minutes. So guys, it's been a while since I've done one of these challenge videos and you guys absolutely love them. This is the 5-minute design challenge where, as you can tell, I have 5 minutes to create a final design, which in this case is going to be a Twitter header, and at the end of the video I will give you guys a PSD download for you. This is actually my 4th video on this. I have loads of old ones, so I will leave them in the description down below for you guys to check out the other ones if you wish. There is actually one catch to this challenge specifically. I'm not going to be using Google at all. I know a lot of the time I'm looking for wallpapers on there and stuff. I'm going to be using my brand new graphic design pack. I'll leave a link to it in the description and also the video showcasing it. I've been really enjoying it, so I thought I would make a video 5-minute design challenge only using the pack. One more thing guys, if you do go on to enjoy the video and you want to give it a go for yourself, then make sure to upload it. I would appreciate credit in the description, but it's not a must. Just make sure to tweet it at me on Twitter and I'll check some out for you guys. Anyways, I'm now going to head over to my Twitter. Don't know why I said that. I mean Photoshop. As you can see right now, I have my graphic design pack open, both part 1 and part 2 of Revolution, which you do get in a bundle, and I'm going to be going through these to actually create the header itself, because of course I'm not using Google or anything, and this is my header template, simple as that, 3000 by 1000 document, and I believe we are ready. So what I'm going to do is use my phone to set the timer, and the timer will be on screen as well so you guys can see. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. First of all, I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up the part 1 and we're going to go straight into backing. So I'm already ready for this. I believe my favorite backing is number 6. So we're going to drag and drop that. Already ready for us. And of course, if you have the pack, like you can use this for client work and stuff as well, which is like perfect. So we're going to drag and drop that. Now, is it in part 1 or is it in part 2? All right, okay, part 2. We are going to go to layer styles. And we need a white one, so the top one or the bottom one, let's go with style 1. We're going to literally drag and drop that inside, and we need to change the text of course, so let me just make sure that this is centered. We want it big, but we don't want it too big. Around about there is fine, and I already have the font downloaded as well, so I can literally change the text like so here. Just click on it and do this. Okay, there we go. I'm going to duplicate this bottom text here, and we're going to add a shadow just so it stands out hopefully a little bit more, so motion blur, and we need to add quite a big shadow. Make sure it's on 90 degrees and then it will go down like so. There we go. Now we can change this because it has a layer style on it, and we can make it plain black. There we go. That stands out a lot. All right, 3 minutes. We need to add some more stuff. What should we add? We of course need to add CCs. Let me drag and drop these in, so we already are ready. Everything's going to be like kind of messed up, but I don't really care if I'm honest. So let's close the test image, and we are going to use, I believe, CC1 will be the best option. Okay, yeah, let's go with CC1. I think this makes it stand out a whole lot more. Let's open up the particles. Where are the particles? We haven't got long. I've just realized this challenge is a lot harder than you guys think. Like, I'm a slow person, and being put under pressure like this is not very good for me. Let's lower this down. Okay, we got time. Let's add, what should we add? I don't want to overcomplicate it with text, like too much text. Let's go to lights. Actually, yeah, let's go to lights. We're gonna add this one in. I really like this light. My Photoshop is being a bit slow here. All right, there we go, bam. Change the color with a gradient map when it eventually loads. Okay. 2 minutes. Okay, we've got time, I believe. All right, why is it taking so long to load? There we go. We need to reverse it, do we? Yeah, we need to reverse it. And let's get rid of the white and move this to red, since that is going to be the color theme of this, I believe. And we can merge those together and we are going to change the blending mode to screen. Okay, this may be a bit too much. Put it to soft light maybe, and put it below the CCs. Oh, this is gonna work. Okay, this is gonna work. Let's actually put it below where the backing is, so it's not on the text. This looks so sick. And we didn't even need that many layers. Okay, we've got 1 minute 23. Do we add final effects? I could add my magic bullet looks effects, or should I add text? I'm super confused now. All right, let's just add. Oh, should we add final? Okay, we're gonna chance it with the text. Okay. Your social. We're not gonna have time to even add like. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna have time to add the. What was that outside? We're not gonna have time to add any icons onto this, so it's literally just gonna be the text. But that's fine with me. All right, bam, bam. Now we can add the final effects. We've got 40 seconds. I feel like I'm in a big rush here. We're gonna go to magic bullet looks, photo looks. Come on, we've only got 29 seconds. All right, we're just gonna add this one on. I honestly don't know which one the last like magic bullet looks effect I used, but I hope this one's gonna look okay. All right, yeah, that looks fine. And we are going to sharpen it. Wabam, there we go. All right, 12 seconds left on the clock, and we are basically done. The last thing I would do is 99% opacity, and we are done, just so we can save it high quality on Twitter. That is the finished piece. Yeah, I do realize I have finished. Okay guys, so yes, that is the finished design. I will be leaving the PSD link to this in the description down below for you guys to download, and of course you can edit some of the text if you wish. To be honest, I think the final result is very nice. Maybe the CC is a bit too much, I could have lowered it down a bit, but I think the final design is actually really sick. As I said, let me know what you think. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. If you did go on to enjoy it, then make sure to leave a like, that would be much appreciated. Also, if you want to see more design videos like this in the future, then please consider subscribing to the channel with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And finally guys, if you did like the look of the graphic design pack I showed in this video and you want to see more information on it, I will leave a link to my store and also the video showcasing the pack in the description down below. And yes guys, that is it from me. As I said, hopefully you enjoyed. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.